Let's check out Pablo Neumun. Neumun in a weird spelling because it's Pablo, Olivia said. Let's go.
I'ma drop it on you soon, like a monsoon. You don't wanna know. Full moon, like a vroom vroom, like a horizon.
What? This is totally different from his solos that I've heard so far.
What you doing here? I just hit the brakes and now I'm on my neutral gear. Yeah, fair to interfere. Cause when you poke asleep in bed, don't expect to hide. We'll run you over. Hope you meet our maker. We'll run you over. From Jamaica.
That is so different to what he's done so far. I've heard so far from a solo.
But I'ma drop it on.
That's a funny line. Guys, that's a funny line. Come on, that's a funny line.
But I'ma drop it on.
Vroom, vroom. Full moon, I go vroom, vroom like a Harley's engine. That's so funny.
But I'ma drop it on.
That is so funny.
Participate. The only time I play is when I shoot just to kill the J. No plan to make it rain, so don't act a fool. I'm keeping cool. Get out of my face before I let loose all hell on you. Wanna get by this with these. Hit pause from my end and not the crease. Don't care whatever you do as you please, but don't disturb my peace unless you wanna taste of these bees.
Wait, what? But don't disturb my peace unless you want a taste of these bees' knees. Oh, okay. Thought he said something else for a sec.
Don't you ever call my name. Every little thing I see feels like a match and I'm a flame. But it's rising up, things popping out. New moon, just back me up. Cause we don't wanna get there, run away, run it away. I'ma drop it on.
Vroom, vroom. In the concert right now, people should be clapping.
Soon you don't wanna know.
Lucky I'm sober, I'll run you over. What a line. Pablo Mita, Pablo Puyat. That was completely different from how many, like 2 or 3 I think we did Pablo solos. There was one with his brother. Well, there was also the funny hilarious one where he didn't, but it looked like he edited himself, the lyric video. And what else was there? And then was the NF one. Oh, so we think we did 4. But this one is very fun. I did not expand it. Like the beat, you know what the beat sounds like? The beat sounds like it should be like in a girl group, like pop girl group. It sounds like bubble poppy, but when he's raps and sings over it, it doesn't feel that way at all. Do you know what I mean? Thank you, Olivia, for the recommendation again. That was a good one. It was very surprising to hear that kind of side from Pablo as well. Let's go. I'm very excited. Pablo, the boy who cried wolf, official music video. If somebody doesn't know in the chat, Pablo is from a group called SB19.
Everybody telling the doof is spit.
Ooh. Is it more of a singing song? Whoa. Oh my god. Oh no, please don't tell me he's gonna eat it. Oh!
Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead.
Oh my.
Maybe they will listen if inside I'm dead.
I've never heard this tone of Pablo's.
Maybe all this maybe it's just because I'm scared.
Just so different.
Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared to face myself and find that I'm the biggest lie I've tried to hide. No.
It's crazy how talented he is. How many different things he can do with his voice as well. Ooh, that was nice. Woo! The grit on his voice is crazy. Woo! The way he adds like actual wolf cries in there when he's saying oh, that is, it's chilling. The grit in his voice, the passion that comes through his voice is impeccable. It's just amazing. You don't even need to know what he says when he sings like that. You just know it. You feel it. He's a good actor as well. And now he thinks it's his fault. I have shivers, goosebumps.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di lang ikaw ang talo. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo. Huwag mong suluin ang mundo. Lagi lang akong nandito. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo.
The lyrics are lyricking for me. Wow. Oh, did you read the lyrics? Fucking hell. The end in there? Yeah, that was, I don't know. That was very passionate. I don't know what to say. It's a very sad song, but also powerful. But like, it was a very powerful song. The music video, crazy. What an actor. but also like the lyrics. Like, you're not alone, guys. Anybody who's going through something, just know you're not alone. You're never alone. It might feel like you're completely alone, but you're definitely not. We just sometimes have to open ourselves to understand that and to ask for help or tell somebody, this one person in our life, what's going on with us. You know, anything that you're feeling, you should open up at least to somebody and not be scared of saying truly how you feel and what's going on inside you. You know what I mean? Because a lot of us love to mask ourselves. That's what I'm going to say. I'm just adding to the song about how it made me feel and my thoughts about it, and just adding it on top of it, of his lyrics. You're not alone. It might feel like we're alone sometimes, if not most of the time, but we're definitely not. We're definitely not. Okay, so let's do the wish bus. Ugh, I just know he's going to be so passionate here with his facial expressions and especially the voice. It's probably going to be even more powerful than the music video, like the original song. Pablo and Ken's voice gets me. Yeah, they're just two powerhouses. This in their own right way. In their own way, I mean.
Ain't nobody telling when the wolf is sad. And because of that, the wolf is going mad. 'Cause there's nobody willing to understand. Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead. Maybe they will listen if inside I'm dead. Maybe all this maybe's just because I'm scared.
Wish 1075.
'Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared to face myself and find that I'm the biggest lie I'm trying to hide. Now this is getting out of hand. Ang aking mga paa na may nanginginig, naman lang nagtangkang pumilala sa aking tinig. Halos mapatulan na nga ako ng litid. Kahit pilit ko pang isarang mga matay, tumatagas pa rin aking damdamin. At sa may baybayin, umaapaw na ang aking galit sa mundo. Pagsamo ko'y pakinggan niya. Patawarin mo naman ako, di ko naman inasahan to. Wala naman akong ibang gusto, alam mo yan, kahit walang ideya ang mundo. At sa kabila ng mga pangyayari, wala naman akong iba pang masisisi, kung di ang sarili piniling isang tabi. At malayo lang sa mundo ang tupang sakripisyo.
That's fucking crazy. Oh.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di lang ikaw ang talo. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo. Huwag mong suluhin ang mundo, lagi lang akong nandito. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Hi Wishers, this is Pablo. For more exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.
Oh my god, his eyes were closed the whole like the whole time he was singing. In this little clip where he's like saying something for the Wish Bus, it reminded me of how beautiful his eyes are. I always want to say, but I think I keep forgetting. Maybe I said it and I just forget that I say it, but like he has such beautiful eyes. This man has the most gorgeous eyes I've ever seen. Like so beautiful. Not just the color or whatever, because probably contact, but I mean like the shape of it and everything else. But anyways, yeah, it's just, there's no difference in when they sing live and recorded versions. There actually is sometimes a difference where their live versions are more powerful and better. So thank you to Reg Percy for the recommendation. Really, really, really appreciate it. It's a very, very beautiful song. Very beautiful song. I also love his eyes. It's very expensive. Oh, I thought you said expensive. I was like, yeah, I guess.